Ever found yourself staring at international payment fees, wondering if there's a smarter, more streamlined way to handle your global finances? You're not alone. In today's interconnected world, whether you're a freelancer invoicing clients overseas, an e-commerce business expanding into new markets, or simply someone who needs to send or receive money internationally, the right financial tools can make all the difference. And that's where Airwallex comes in. Think of Airwallex as your global financial passport. It's a platform designed to simplify international transactions, offering multi-currency accounts, low-cost transfers, and a suite of other features tailored for businesses and individuals with global ambitions. But how exactly do you unlock this financial powerhouse? That's precisely what we're diving into today. We'll walk you through the steps to get your very own Airwallex account, making those international money movements a whole lot smoother. The first step on this journey is heading over to the Airwallex website. You can easily find it by searching Airwallex on your preferred search engine. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. It's usually prominently displayed. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the account creation page. Now, Airwallex caters to both businesses and individuals, so the initial stage will involve selecting the account type that best suits your needs. If you're a business, you'll likely be asked for details such as your company name, registration number, and industry. If you're signing up as an individual, you'll typically provide your name, date of birth, and contact information. Next up is the verification process. Just like any reputable financial institution, Airwallex needs to verify your identity to ensure security and compliance. For businesses, this might involve submitting company documents like your certificate of incorporation and shareholder details. For individuals, you will usually be asked to upload a copy of your government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and sometimes proof of address, like a utility bill. Make sure the documents are clear and easy to read to avoid any delays in the verification process. Once your documents are submitted, Airwallex will review them. The processing time can vary, but they generally aim to get things done efficiently. You'll typically receive an email notification once your account is verified. With your account verified, you can now start exploring the platform. You might be prompted to set up your multi-currency wallets. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to hold and manage funds in various currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, AUD, and many more. Setting up these wallets is usually a straightforward process within your Airwallex dashboard. Depending on your needs, you might also want to explore other features Airwallex offers, such as their global payment network for making and receiving international payments, their virtual cards for secure online transactions, or their integrations with popular accounting software. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and the various functionalities to make the most of your Airwallex account. Funding your account is the next logical step. Airwallex offers various ways to deposit funds, such as bank transfers. The specific options available to you might depend on your location and the currencies you're working with. And that's essentially it. From initial sign-up to setting up your multi-currency wallets, the process of getting an Airwallex account is designed to be relatively straightforward. Just remember to have your necessary identification documents ready and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Taking a few moments to understand the platform's features will also set you up for success in managing your international finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.